Acoam Kanglek Park President Soraisam Sanjeet has urged the people's representatives to work on their common agenda in striving towards bringing normalcy in the state. He was speaking on the sidelines of a 25th Foundation Day celebration of Acoam at Nauremthong Laistram Kulin Lekai Community Hall in Imphal West. Further highlighting the untold miseries endured by the people in the ongoing crisis, Sanjeet appealed the MLAs to earnestly work towards resolving the crisis instead of engaging in the tussle over power. Highlighting that Acoam was formed in 2001 with the main objective of resisting threats to the state's integrity, he reaffirmed the organization's commitment to counter any kind of challenges against the people and integrity of the state. Kanglei Imalup President R.K. Sanahanbi, Kanglamai President Lairik Laima, and Acoam former President K.S.H. Somorendro agrees to function as main dignitaries.
Sahi ani hinjilaklaba furup ani gi haiba tare irang sina maram oirakanda tongan ba maru oiba achangba mioi kaya ama punsi pikhamnaki aduna makha tarakpada amukasu aikhogi tongan ba magi yum kai leijadadana relief camp da leiriba sininaw kaya ama halaman kaya ama awana taraga leiri adagi tongan ba sugadoba nonggadoba adagi highway sing da satkadoba mayam ama pallaga leiri chatkadoriba free movement oigadoriba lambi asi hinjillaga leibana maram oirakanda ahenba achangba chading mayam ama tawraga manghalaga leiri swaisida lengar semdadana leiriba akogi political party sing kaising leiriba sing mayam sing asina thamnaiba oiriba sing asi amata oiba wakhalon manaba amaga chingthanaraga makoi gi oiba wakhalonda phamunabagi mahutta leibak khunai asigi damakta khanbira kansida akogi chungsinnaba lengar afaba lengar ama ohennaba athubada honabiba chungani